back again with another video. Uh-oh, cops. This is technically my second video today. The first one was filmed at midnight and till 1 a.m. this morning. And right now it is 11 a.m. So the day is not over yet, so it's still August 3rd. If you watched my video from earlier, I basically mentioned that NYC has this new thing they're doing now, where they are enforcing the 15-mile-per-hour speed limit on e-scooters, and now all e-bikes are also capped at 15 miles per hour. Tickets supposedly start at $100, which is like super expensive, and that's for going over 15 miles per hour. I currently have 58 volts of battery, so power isn't quite there, but I'm still gonna try to trigger a couple of speed cameras on my way home as a way to protest this bullshit. We're passing by the police station. Every time I get off work, I always go by this area. And they've never cared about scooters in this area. I don't think they're gonna start caring now. Let me just give myself some space. I don't think I'll be able to trigger this one unless I go back, so I'll trigger this one another time. But I did trigger it last night. Only time the turn signals are really visible is at night. I see that it's visible on camera. You guys can actually see it. It's also here on the back. It's literally red, just like the brake light. Would have been nice if they like had another color, but it is what it is. For going 5 over the current speed limit cap on e-bikes and e-scooters. Alright, this is second speed camera on this block that I triggered last night. Let's see if we can still trigger it tonight. I wanted to trigger it, but because of the red light I had to slow down right before. Dang it, man. If I had more battery I would have for sure triggered it. Let's not be discouraged. There is one more speed camera on the way home, and that one should be easy to trigger since we have quite the runway. Okay, we're on. This time for sure. What the hell, man? The scooter sold, bro. It was only going 35. You sold, scooter. Now I sold. I said I was gonna trigger some speed cameras on the way, but didn't end up triggering any of them. Shit, it is what it is, though. Tonight I'm recording in 4K since I've got myself a 512 gigabyte SD card. I don't really need to worry about storage much, so I can, you know, spoil myself. You know, funny story, ever since I got this camera on May 18th this year, May, June, July, it's been 2 months, 2.5 months basically, and I've never used 4K ever since. Even though this camera is capable of 8K recording. Tonight's pretty chill. Let me hop into this parking lot real quick. My house is within 4 shopping centers, bro. You know how lucky that is? 4 shopping centers within a mile radius of my house. That is super lucky. Uh-oh, this place is uneven. Parking lot is pretty small, and there aren't that many big businesses. Oh, this Domino's here, this is my favorite Domino's of all time. Like, this is where I always get my Domino's pizza. I've never had Domino's from any other Domino's locations. Pizza has always hit, and I've been going to this location since 2020. Also, order online because they have coupons for every single pizza. You know the deals that they Domino's do every like month or so. Well, there are already similar deals on the app already that you could claim, and they give you points towards free pizza. So just order online. But yeah, anyways, that was my rant. I have 56 votes, 1,079 miles on the scooter. Bro, I still haven't filmed the 1,000 mile review of the scooter so far, bro. It's been way past 1,000 miles. I'm just dragging my way home a little bit so I can make the video longer. The last speed camera in this area. Yeah, I don't think it's happening. I'm only going 32 miles per hour. If only I had more juice, but I don't have more juice. Let me check out this parking lot here. Man, I didn't end up triggering a single speed camera tonight, bro. Tonight was kind of a bust. Yo, why is my light shining on top of the house over there, bro? No wonder I can't see shit, bro. The light is too high up, bro. Like I'm seeing, it's literally on top of the CVS. Let's see if I can see on the phone. The scooter light, bro, is literally hitting the top of the CVS. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, you see this? That's the scooter light, not the handlebar light I have. I turned it off. Now look, it's the scooter light, bro. This shit like a bat signal. If the light is all the way on top over here, bro, how am I supposed to see anything at night? Let me zoom out. So this is the scooter with the stock lighting. There is like a little bit of light on like by where the tire is, but then at the front here you could barely see anything, and then the rest is just flung so high up, bro. Like 2-story, yeah, about 2 stories high. Like what the hell, Yume? How am I supposed to see anything? Now look at the difference now that I turned these in, and this is only 4 out of the 6 LEDs. Now this is just 2, and now it's all 6 of them. Huge difference, isn't it? Huge difference in riding at night. Let me turn off the scooter light. Now look, it's like the scooter light didn't even like add anything. But yeah, I didn't bring a microfiber cloth tonight, so my lens is still dirty. Let me see. It is 11:50, about time I start heading back home now. Oh, they're gonna open Spirit Halloween here. There used to be a party city. Can you guys even see? Let me zoom in for you. The gloves are touchscreen, but like they work when they want almost. Yeah, so this is gonna be Spirit Halloween. There used to be a party city here. Not gonna lie, the only time this place was packed was during Halloween. I was doing Uber deliveries and like it was a pain like buying stuff. A lot of the stuff were sold out. A bunch of delivery drivers in there and other people from other families buying decorations for Halloween. It was just a mess that day, but otherwise that shit was always empty, bro. I heard that Party City was going bankrupt, so I guess they were forced to close down this location. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching today's video. I finally posted the group ride to Rockaway, Queens today. That was only part 1. Part 2 is coming soon. The tires can still lock up. Yeah, part 2 is coming soon. And I ordered a Insta360 USB-C to C data cable. The guy I bought the camera from didn't give it to me, so I didn't even know that was a thing. And saving the videos to my phone take a long time. I've had videos take almost 3 hours to save to my phone wirelessly, and with the USB-C to C cable, according to ChatGPT, the transfer time should be significantly faster. I've tried the USB-C to C cable that I've got right now to that I use to charge my phone, and every time I connect it, it doesn't work. And I've tried other cables, still don't work for transferring from the camera to the phone. So I'm getting this, bro, to hopefully cut down the transfer times. And yeah, I can still make it peel by just transferring my weight to the back. If I just have one foot on the scooter. Take the other one off. Still don't know how to bunny hop. Was that one? I just lifted the front tire up. I don't know if the real one was. I don't know, man. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Appreciate you for watching. 993 subscribers as of me recording this. I have like 10 videos to post before this, so I'll be at 1,000 by when this posts. But still, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.